Lighting is one of the most important things that can make your videos from good to great. And in this video, I'll let you know the best light that you can buy if you're a beginner. So I've been using the Godox SL100bi for the last 2 years now, and it has been a very capable light for the time that I've used. But for some time now, I've noticed that the 60-watt light isn't enough to light a scene for a YouTube video or even some client shoots. Hence, I've decided to upgrade my light from the Godox SL100bi to the Godox SL100bi. The SL100bi is a bi-color LED video light. It is a good quality budget light that will increase your production value to a great extent. Some of the key differences that I noticed while comparing it with the Godox SL100bi is obviously the power output. The Godox SL100bi has a power output of 60 watt and the SL100bi has a power output of 100 watts. So obviously the SL100bi is a brighter light. The second thing that makes the SL100bi unique is the effects that it has to offer. There are a lot of effects available, from lightning to a burning candle to camera flashes and a lot of other things. The benefit of a bicolor light is that you can change the light temperature according to your needs. It gives you the freedom to set up your scene more creatively. The third thing that makes the SL100bi better is you can control the Godox SL100bi with the Godox app because it has Bluetooth built in, which is not the case for the SL100bi. The app is extremely easy to use and it gives you the flexibility of choosing the color temperature and the desired effects through your phone. This will help you save a lot of time because you don't have to go and manually change it every time. The build quality is great. The quality is much superior in the SL100bi. The user interface at the back of the light is extremely user-friendly, and the display at the back, which shows you the necessary information, is also a little brighter than the SL100bi. I bought this light specifically for YouTube videos. I've been wanting to make a lot more videos for a while now. So getting the light was only half the job. Getting the right light modifier or softbox does make a difference. Hence I decided to go with the Lantern softbox by Godox, the CS85D. This is extremely good for situations when you want to light a big scene where you need light on the subject as well as on the background. If you have seen some of my videos, you have noticed that I try to keep my backgrounds a little bright and colorful, and I've been doing that in DaVinci Resolve during the post-production, but this upgraded light setup has made the job much easier. This light and softbox pair works as a charm. It is neither too big nor too small, which means it can be easily carried around. And the shadows that it produces are really soft and nice to look at. I have had this light for 3 days now, and this is the first video that I'm shooting with it, and I honestly have no complaints with it. I'm highly impressed with the capabilities of this budget light. I bought it for 70,000 Indian rupees. Currently I think there is a sale going on Amazon. Usually this light is available for approximately 19,000 Indian rupees, but if you go on Amazon, I think you can grab it for 17,000 Indian rupees, which I think is a great option. But if your budget doesn't allow you, you can also check out the daylight balanced version of this light, which I think is a little bit cheaper. So yeah, if you're a beginner, I highly recommend you to check out this light. So that was the video. I hope I was able to provide you with some new information. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one.